Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Fusion window won't roll down issue and the potential problems associated with it. A power window that will not roll down in the Ford Fusion is commonly described as no response when pressing the window switch, intermittent operation, slow movement before stopping, or a clicking sound without window movement. Reviewed body electrical system documentation and power window design information indicate that window operation concerns can occur across multiple Ford Fusion model years, depending on electrical architecture, regulator design, and component wear. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves the power window regulator and motor assembly. Internal wear, mechanical binding, or electrical failure within the regulator or motor can prevent the window from moving as commanded. Another confirmed cause relates to the window switch itself. Worn contacts or internal switch failure can stop command signals from reaching the window motor. Electrical wiring and connector integrity are also documented factors. Damaged wiring within the door, loose connectors, or broken conductors from repeated door movement can interrupt power or ground to the window system. Body control module and control logic behavior is another verified consideration. The module managing window operation may disable movement if it detects abnormal electrical conditions or safety-related inputs. Window track alignment and mechanical resistance are an additional confirmed aspect. Misalignment, debris, or increased friction in the window channels can overload the motor and stop operation. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, door usage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include testing window motor and regulator operation, checking switch function, inspecting wiring and connectors, verifying control module signals, and examining window tracks for binding or obstruction. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and door system-specific requirements. In conclusion, Ford Fusion window won't roll down issues are typically associated with window motor or regulator failure, switch problems, wiring or connector damage, control module behavior, or mechanical resistance in the window track. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation, model year, and operating conditions, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.